Hello everyone, this is Zainab Mustavi. I'm going to show you how to work with Screencastomatic. So in this video, I will show you how to create an account on Screencastomatic, how to use each of the features available in Screencastomatic. First of all, you need to go to the website screencastomatic.com and then click on Launch Free Recorder and download Screencastomatic. This is my Screencastomatic. I have recorded some videos here, and if I want to record a new one, just I click on Record. If I like to create a new scripted recording, just click on scripted, and here I can add text, and then I can record my voice, or I can import audio from laptop, and then again I can add another section here. I'm going to delete it. Then if you have recorded some video, you can import that video from your laptop by clicking on import. You can connect to your Zoom. You have recorded a video with Zoom, so it can connect to your Zoom. Then I'm going to choose one of the videos, for example, how to use Zoom. If I click on edit, you can see here tools. If you don't like some parts of your video, or you need to cut, you click on cut. If you need to copy some part of it and paste somewhere, you can copy, click on copy. If you like to hide cursor or webcam, just you click on hide. For example, you have used webcam, and you don't like to show the camera your picture, so by clicking on hide, you can hide the webcam. Insert, you can insert new recording, existing recording, video, or paste recording. Narrate, overlay, you can add image, you can blur. Just if I click on blur, and I'd like to blur my name, so just I drag it here. In this way, I have blurred my name. Just I'm going to cancel it, and if you like to add shape, you can click on shape, arrow. If you like to highlight, for example, I'm going to highlight how to use Zoom. Just in this way, I can highlight it, and then you can click on OK. And also it shows the time. We can increase the time. So I'm going to cancel it, and again click on tools, overlay, and you can add text, you can add video, replace video, or freeze frame. You want to repeat some parts of your video. Sound, when you like to have music or sound effect, you can click on music or sound effect. If you like to speed up or speed down, you can click on speed up or speed down, transition, if you like to add transition. And when you want to adjust volume, you can click on volume. After editing, you need to click on done. Yeah. And you can save the video on your computer. You can upload to Screencastomatic. You can upload to YouTube, to Google Drive. Even you have other options. You can upload to Vimeo, Google Drive, and Dropbox. And that's all. Thank you so much for your attention.